Hey guys, we received this Stephen NC95 hybrid active noise cancelling headphones for test and try. So let's just open and see how this looks and feel. So this one is our Stephen over-ear headphones with a wireless Bluetooth 5.3 built-in mic, 65 hours of the playtime. I have a app control as well, high resolution audio, comfort fit, clear calls for travel or workout. So comes in a nice, really gift box. So first impression about the packing is really nice, as I can feel the premium packing quality in here. And when you open the box, you see a really nice thing here. The headphones are fixed well. This is the case and all the other accessories. So let me just take out the things. So this is the actual one, and this is a charging cable and the aux cable that comes with it. So you can adjust as a USB-C charging and a aux cable. So if you want to use it as a wired headphone, so this is the USB-C charging that you can easily use too with a USB connection and also a aux cable thing. So the design is really cool. This is a new design like the Apple AirPod Max, and also this have this nice things to adjust the height or to adjust the cups, and also have a very shiny and smooth surface with the buttons and the knob for the volume. You can also press and on this button, so this start on the Bluetooth. So let me see, like it will see like the Tiffin in here, and once it's connected, you can see it's all connected. So this is the right and the left is marked here, and very nice, comfortable cuffs or the cups. So I'm just playing some of the music, and this also have this app control as you can see. So this is the Bluetooth one, and let me just start it again. So this will just connect to this app very easily, and then once it's done, you can control a lot of other things with this app. So you can control like equalizer, or you can set up the things. You can also control a lot of other things. So this have a noise cancelling mode, transparency mode, normal mode, or low latency mode. You can have a 35 decibel as things with a hybrid active noise cancellation, and also equipped with many other things. So this button is the round button can control the voice and as well as mostly the other things with the number of clicks you can do. But the app is really nice to control everything here. And if you want to make it a wired connection, you can use this aux cable to do a wired connection with these headphones. So my impression till now is really good because of very nice smooth surface, very nice connectivity thing, app control, adjustable headphones, the near bag, and then the other thing. I also listen to its voice, and trust me, it's really nice and cool. So the bass is very good, and then the other things and the clarity of the sound is good at the nominal volume. So at the high volume, yeah, like as all the other headphones do, it is a little bit distort, but the overall quality for the sound, for the feel, for the comfort is good. As you can see, if I just put it on my head, it have a space in here that covers the whole ear and is very comfortable. From the back also, you can see like the shapes looks really good and cool and looks very nice while you are going outside. So it's a very nice impression, very nice and unique design. You will not find a lot of headphones with this design with the more comfortable cup or the cups on your ear and the control with the app as well as with the knob button and control of the volume with a nice quality of sound.